In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Teams assignments with Notion for your classroom needs. This can be a game changer for organizing tasks and keeping track of schoolwork both for teachers and students. It's all about streamlining your workflow, making sure nothing falls through the cracks, and using these powerful tools in tandem. So let's get started and dive right into the process. First, you'll want to go to the page on Notion where you have your teammates or coworkers listed. This is crucial because this page will serve as your main hub for collaboration and communication. If you don't already have a page set up, take a moment to arrange it, making sure you have all the relevant sections so your team can easily access the information they need. Whether you're a student organizing group projects or a teacher managing multiple classes, setting up your workspace effectively will make everything much smoother. Once you are on the correct Notion page, the next step is to access your team's classroom assignments. Navigate to the assignment you wish to link and ensure it's the correct one by double-checking details such as the title and due date. With the assignment open, you'll find the link to it. This is the pivotal piece that will tie your classroom work directly into your Notion setup. Simply highlight the assignment link and copy it to your clipboard. This can usually be done with a right-click on your mouse or a simple keyboard shortcut depending on your device. With the assignment link safely copied, head back to your Notion page. Now it's time to integrate the two platforms by pasting the link directly into your Notion setup. Choose the specific section that makes the most sense for you and your team. Maybe it's under a header labeled Current Assignments or To-Do List. The key is to ensure the link is easily accessible to anyone who needs it. When pasting the link, watch as Notion automatically generates a neat, concise preview of the linked page. This makes it easier to identify at a glance without needing to click through every time. This connection allows for seamless transitions between your team's assignments and Notion's vast organizational capabilities. As you continue using this setup, you can experiment with different layouts and section arrangements in Notion to see what fits your workflow best. Remember, the goal here is to enhance productivity and ease of access for both you and your classmates or coworkers, and there you have it. A simple, effective method to connect Teams assignments with Notion. Feel free to pause the video and repeat any step as needed until you're confident with the process. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay organized and productive. Happy organizing, and see you next time for more useful tips.